Hi, I'm Kerrie-Ann Jones and welcome to my home. Come on in and I'll show you around some of the features of the house. So this is our kitchen and it really is the heart of our home. We love spending so much time in here and I designed the kitchen around this beautiful quartzite stone. I just love the markings in it and the color tones, so I really wanted to make this a feature. So another feature of the kitchen is the shelf along the back wall. Now, I did this for two reasons. One is because I'm quite short and I can't reach up the top shelf. And the other is because I'm a stylist, I love to display all my little beautiful treasures and ceramics. So I thought this would be a great place to do it up here. I really love curved edges and I wanted this to be a design motif throughout the home. So I've used it here on the kitchen bench and also for the range hood too. And this is also reflected in the fireplace in the living room. For the kitchen wall cupboards, I painted them sage green. It was a bit of a risk, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I did this because I think it would have been too heavy if I went with walnut. So I wanted to add a bit of colour and lightness to the kitchen. So now I'll show you into our living room. So this is quite a large space and I found it a little tricky to find furniture that fit the space. So I ended up designing my own pieces. So this sofa is one of those pieces and then so is the sideboard in the back and the console table at the hallway. So because the living room is so large, there's so much wall space and I thought that is a great opportunity to create a gallery art wall showing all of our art that we've collected over the years. Another feature I want to show you in the living room is the fireplace. Now this has a curved edge like the kitchen, which I just love. And then also, of course, there's a shelfie, a little shelfie moment there. And I just also love this joinery here. So it's travertine onyx and I just adore the stone sediment. I just think it's beautiful. So next up, I'll show you into the main bedroom. So this is our main bedroom. Now, originally this was two smaller bedrooms and it just wasn't enough space for us for our main bedroom. So we decided to knock a wall out and make it one really large, oversized room, which just suits us perfectly. And we also double the size of the windows as well to maximize the view. Opening up the space allowed us to have two wardrobes in the room as well. So this one here is mine, and we have the walnut timber veneer, which is the same as the kitchen, and then this beautiful textural grass cloth wallpaper. And then we also have Andrew's wardrobe, which is really sneaky behind the bed. Now I'll show you through to the ensuite. Now this is one of my favorite rooms in the house, but it was probably the trickiest to create. So the floor, that took about 5 days to create the pattern using really beautiful offcuts of different marble stone. And then it took another 2 days to lay it, another day to grout it, and another day to polish it. So it was a massive job and I wasn't expecting that, so much work involved, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. I absolutely love it. And lastly, I'll show you our outdoor area. So one of the reasons why we bought here is because of this gorgeous view of Burraneer Bay. One of the things that we love to do in this outdoor space is just have a cup of tea in the morning and watch the sunrise. It's so beautiful, or just hang out with the kids at the end of the day and watch the sky change colours. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. I've really enjoyed having you here. Thank you so much for stopping by.